Yep, all it takes is one moron to ruin a holiday weekend for everybody else. It is a windy day, but I'm willing to bet he was coming in hot.
Is radar activated and detect my speed already? She told me to move my car first to much safer place, so I drive to the nearest block.
It's my mistake because the speed limit is supposed to be only 90, and I think I'm running 180, so they charged me. So this is the ticket. Yeah, I'm running 183.
I don't, yeah.
It's colder in here now than it was on November 1st. And it's just been shitty and cold. We have the fucking trout in Nova Scotia. Remember how much it's like shitty with the animals? And yeah, we're doing this. Pull over. Pull over. Pull over. You lost the tire! You lost the tire! Tire in front of me, and I tried to tell her to pull over, and she's still driving. Okay. She said she's going to Cow Tire, so.
All the way down.
She's taking the exit down. I think there's a Cow Tire right there. Oh, what the she's going 100! She's going to 100! She passed me! She's going 100! It's still going without the rim! I see the rim!
Flip it!
Flip it! What the
Excuse me. I think you tapped my car.
Didn't touch it.
I have a camera right
Didn't
here.
touch it, buddy.
He hit my car. And he said, no, I didn't. I have a camera. Hold this. I'm gonna go look. I moved.
Yeah.
This day, dude.
They went the wrong way down 55. I think they're crashing out. I'm not sure. They're in the grass. They're in the grass. Hands! Show your hands! Get out of the car! Do it now! Show your hands! Get out of the car! Show your hands! Hey, go right that way. Next to that, run right there. Get out of the car! Get out of the car!